Hi, I wanted to do a wee video on my Parrot Disco. Um, I noticed it was a bit unstable at low speed, etc. Very glitchy, so I've decided to buy some stabilizers, etc. And what I've done is I've got these, and I'm upgrading the motor also, which is here. Uh, I'm fitting a an 1800 kV. The current engine is 1300 and that will fit straight onto the Parrot Disco, but I'm aiming to do that as soon as I've given it a shot with the new stabilizers. Anyway, what I've done is, let me just see, what I've done is I fitted this as well, which is the base plate. I don't know if you can see that, if it's there, and you can see it there. Obviously it's a two-piece item, that clips into there, screws into your chuck screws. I did have a bit of bother with this one because the hole wasn't big enough and it was too tight. It actually snapped it, but what I did was I varodited it together and it's holding fine, so I'm quite happy with that. And also obviously I got the camera protector, so that's there. So just being really. So anyway, here we go. So there's wing number one. Obviously, this just that just slots on. So let me just put that on there. So that one goes on there. That one goes on there. As you can see, that's the two stabilizers. They fit directly into the wing slots. Very thin. They're only, I don't know, 2 millimeters. They slot right in. They're not allowing any gap in the wing, etc. Straight in through the locating wing pins. Some of them do have landing strip or landing pads, but these ones don't. Obviously, because I've fitted that to it, I'm quite happy that that's enough of a landing pad on it. Whereas with the landing pads here, it may well be too much strain on the wing as it lands, especially if it takes a dunt, and I'm forever dunting it. So hey, so that should do it. Anyway, what I'm going to do is do a flight with the stabilizers and add this onto the back of it. And as I say, any questions, feel free. I got these from a guy in Italy. The base, the stabilizers, and the nose cone. Very nice guy. I'm quite happy with them. And should you be looking for that type of thing, because I couldn't find any videos on it, hence the reason why I've done it, just to let other people see. So these are low speed stabilizers. Okay, the engine upgrade I'll be doing on another video. Okay, cheers. Again, I will add footage of it in flight to the back of this, okay?